back to the Dram Diaries. We are doing a double dram blind.
Oh yeah, so 2 whiskeys. We don't know what they are, but we're going to let you know what we think and what we would like to pay for them and if we even would. So there's a color difference big time between A and B. That's sweet.
Yeah.
That's like cherry sweet.
Summery. Let's see.
Just cherry, not sweetness, like honey sweetness. Glass B. Oh man, that's also, but like dark cherries.
Yeah.
You better agree with what I say.
Don't worry, I will. Okay, let's see.
Which one do you like better than those?
I don't know that I like one better than the other one, but A seems lighter to me, so I'm going to sip it first.
Sounds good. That's got some spice. I almost got like Dr. Pepper initially on the palate.
Really? I'm getting like green apple.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like tart.
Yeah.
Green apple.
Especially the finish. I get like a tart green apple from it.
I mean, there's spice. Yes, like I get the tingling, but I'm getting like Granny
oily.
Smith.
Look at the legs on that thing.
Yeah.
Man. I'm enjoying it, whatever it is.
Yeah, it is.
It's good.
Good. I'm heading over to B.
It's like some oak and cinnamon. Like a Dr. Pepper level sweetness. But I get cherry on it, on A.
Okay, B is where it's at for me.
Really?
Oh my gosh.
All right, let's see.
Ooh, that's so yummy.
Oh, yeah.
That's like a dessert.
Oh, man. That's syrupy.
It's sweet, but it's rich, dark.
Oh, man, that's good.
I
feel like it tastes like from the same family as this one, though.
I was just going to say, this one, to me, I get Dr. Pepper on.
Yeah.
Like a flat Dr. Pepper.
Yeah.
I wasn't getting on A, but...
It's like a concentrate. This is...
Gosh, that's great.
And it's the oak is... There's like, you can taste more oak on the finish. On the I can. Like...
Yeah.
That drying that, or like, I feel like was coming from like a green apple rind or something on this one. I feel like it's coming from oak on this one. Yeah. What would you pay for either one of these? Or was one of them you wouldn't buy, or?
I think both of them might be worth buying.
Yeah.
You know, I
agree.
Both really good.
Man.
B is definitely my favorite. And
look at how oily that one is. That's insane.
That is.
Sorry, keep interrupting.
Yeah. What would you pay?
I don't know. I could see like, gosh, this thing carried some flavor. Like it was pretty tasty. I could see paying like $65-$70 for this one.
Okay.
Yeah, and this, I mean, I'd go up to like $85-$90 on this one. This one's
delicious.
What would you pay? I mean, not that you've like been up on what stuff's
I'm not.
costing.
I'm really not up on.
So you'd be happy paying that price for,
especially B.
Especially B, yeah.
Yeah.
So B was the winner, A was the loser. So let's see what A.
Yeah.
Still a really good.
Definitely.
Bourbon. Weller Antique 107. I paid $60.
That's about what you. Yeah.
I think it's
nice.
Yeah, man, that's good. Yeah, I haven't had Weller 107 in a long time. Man, that was good. I wondered if this was a Buffalo Trace just because I got that cherry note. Okay, so it's B because it kind of was better. Old Rip Van Winkle 10-year, 2023. $75. Yeah. Not that most people are ever going to pay that much for it, but 107 proof. Wow. There's a noticeable difference. Like the old Rip 10 is like dark.
Yes.
And they're both good though. Like
it's true.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, well, man, I'm stoked we had this one come up.
Me too. That's good.
I don't know how many like reviewers have actually had Old Rip 10-year, you know, and been able to compare it to Weller 107. It is better. It's better, and it's I think the MSRP price better. You know, it's. Would you say 30%, 25% better than the 107?
30.
30 more?
Yeah.
50% better?
I think so, but
Okay.
you know that I like flavor.
Yeah,
I like
no, it's
to be
noticeably better. It
punched in the
is.
face with flavor.
It
Not
is.
that the Weller wasn't great. It was very light, very refreshing, but that's where it's at for sure. Like not a question.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to do another one of these in a mini barrel 107.
Oh yeah.
And put it up against some of this again. Okay. Till next time.
Quasimodo was shocking.
You're shockingly beautiful. He was shockingly repulsive. Big difference.
You're funny.
Okay.